Hi guys, just an update on my transmitter that I've been making, well, transmitter and receiver. First of all, I'd like to thank Phil and Tobe for their input on me achieving this project. Without you guys, it certainly wouldn't have been possible, so thank you very much. So transmitter is complete and receiver, and I've made a little battery pack as well out of one of those, is it a 18650 cell? So it's 3 channels, this one, all wired up, rudder, elevator, and the throttle I've got just as a switch for now. That's pretty much it, just on and off, which is all I require. Thinking about using this one in a glider with a power pod, or possibly a boat or something like that. So that's that all working. It's got all the usual bells and whistles, servo reversing. It's got the throttle safe on that switch as well, so if you switch it off and then you accidentally knock the switch to full power, when you switch it back on, the servo doesn't move. You have to actually switch it back off first. Usual stuff. Transmitter is complete, as you can see. It's got all my usual stickers and stuff on it, bling as I call it. The switch bezel is quite nice. It's one of those protected type ones, all 3D printed. Transmitter casing is all my own design, including the little bezel for the meter. On the rear, pretty basic. It's got the sticker on. You're probably wondering what that little orange circle is. If you pull that off, it's got the charging port on it. It's a 2S LiPo that's in it, so it's got the 3 pins. The little thing on the top is to store the little plug so that you don't lose it when you're charging it up. There it is, just stores it away nicely, and when you're finished and it's finished charging, you just pop it back in. Just clips in. There we go. Chrome handle on the top. That's pretty much it. The little antenna bezel that I made looks quite nice. It's like a little pyramid shaped one. Sort of copied off the McGregor one a little bit. Couldn't get it exactly the same, but yeah, it's similar. Screwed in with little brass screws. I quite like the brass screws. I think they just finish it off quite nicely. Same with the rear cover. That's got the brass screws in, holding it all together. So there we are. It's all working lovely. Absolutely lovely. Smooth as silk. The servos are just so smooth. Good resolution. Much better than the previous version, which was still good, but this is extremely good. Very, very smooth. So that's the transmitter. The receiver, quite big, I know, by modern standards, but I still like the old retro type feel. You can see what size it is. It's not too big. Quite light, pretty much weighs virtually nothing. It's got my usual sticker and bling on it, as you can see. It's 4 channels. It's got the fail safe on it and the battery connector, and the usual 4 brass screws holding the bottom on. I don't know if you can see that, but it's actually lighting up inside, so it glows in the dark, and the same with the transmitter as well. When it's night time, you can actually see it glowing inside. It's just off one of the LEDs off the nano. And a little battery pack. I 3D printed a little case for it, so the 18650 cell just slides in lovely. It's got a little rubber grommet on the end just to finish it off, and like an end cap that I printed to seal the end up, which isn't glued in. It's such a tight fit, it just clips in lovely. So there we are. Really pleased with it. Works an absolute treat. Just need to build a model for it now. And once again, thanks to Phil for his input on that, and thanks to Tobe for a few pointers on 3D printing. So there we go. Thanks guys, hope you enjoyed that, and look forward to any comments. Cheers for now.